Okay, so we want to solve question number 6 there, which is we can see two equations with two unknowns. So if you want to know the values of these two variables, it means we have to solve this simultaneously. All right. So in a simultaneous approach, you can use the substitution method or elimination method. So let's see how best we can approach this problem. All right. So I think using the substitution method is going to make our work easier. So we begin by from equation 1. From equation 1, let's make x the subject. Okay, so x will be equal to what? Y minus 2. Okay, so this is equation 3. So you put this equation 3 into equation 2. All right, so this will be, in equation 2 it is xy, they are multiplying, so you have to also multiply. So it will be y minus 2 multiplying y is equal to 24. All right, so next step is that you expand this bracket. So y times y will give me y squared, and minus y times 2 will give me 2y, which will give me what is equal to 24. Right now the highest power of y here is 2, so that makes it a quadratic equation. So let's put that in that form. So this will be y squared minus 2y minus 24 equals 0, and then we have to solve this. So minus 2 and that of minus 24, two factors of minus 24. Now when you add, you get minus 2, you multiply, you get back your minus 24. I think that would be, let's check this, negative 6 and positive 4, right? Negative 6 and positive 4. So I'll have y squared negative 6 and then positive 4y minus 24 is equal to 0. So next we do grouping. So I have y squared minus 6y plus into bracket 4y minus 24 equal to 0. So the next thing we do is we factorize. So when you factorize from this, we are going to have y outside, then we have y minus 6. Okay, so this side will be 4, will be common, so 4 outside y minus 6, which is equal to 0. So let's factorize again. Y minus 6 is common. Okay, so you factorize that one again. So you have y minus 6 outside, then we'll have y plus 4, which is equal to 0. All right, so let's take one factor equated to 0 and solve for y, one factor equated to 0 and solve for y. So let me clean for more space. I think let me clean here. Okay, all right, so let's continue. So let's take the factor y minus 6 equals 0. It means that my y is what? 6. So when I take the next factor, which is y plus 4, it means that my y is equal to what? Negative 4. So let's find the corresponding values of what? X. All right, now in our equation 3 we said that x is actually equal to y minus 2. Okay, so when y is 6, let's see what will be x. 6 minus 2, so your x will be what? 4. And then when y is negative 4, let's see what x will be. X will be what? Negative 6. All right, so these are the values of x and then y. So they move in this pair, that when y is 6, x will be 4. So x, y. Okay, so when y is 6, x is 4. Okay, this way, or it moves in this pair. Just satisfy the equation that when y is negative 6, x is negative 4. So negative 4, negative 6. Alright, so this value satisfies the equation. It means that when you put it back into the original equation, they will give you, both will give you the same result. Thanks for watching.